Nested if formulas become unreadable after 3 levels and error-prone after 5. Switch handles 126 conditions in a flat, readable structure. Nested IFs grow horizontally with each condition, creating deeply indented formulas that are hard to read and debug. One misplaced parenthesis breaks everything, and the error is nearly impossible to find. Switch takes a value and matches it against a list of value result pairs. No nesting, no extra parentheses. Add a default value at the end for unmatched cases. The formula reads like a lookup table. IFS evaluates multiple conditions in order and returns the first true result. Use switch when comparing one value against options, and IFS when each condition is a different expression. I rewrite 5 real nested if formulas using switch and IFS. The character count drops by 40 to 60% each time, and the formulas become self-documenting. Clean formulas are maintainable formulas. Subscribe for more tips on writing professional-grade Excel logic.